this brief tutorial, we will address a common issue faced by many users where the messenger call option is not visible. To begin, access the device settings by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. Once in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the Apps option and tap on it to view all installed applications. In the top right corner of the Apps page, locate the search button, tap on it, and type Messenger. Select the Messenger app from the search results that appear. This will take you to the Messenger app info page, where various options related to the app are displayed. Scroll down a bit and tap on Storage, followed by Clear Data. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Delete to confirm the action. After clearing the data, restart your device. This helps refresh system processes and may resolve any lingering issues with the app. If clearing the data does not resolve the issue, check if an update is available for Messenger in your App Store. To do this, open the Google Play Store and search for Messenger. If an update is available, install it, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve existing issues. By following these steps, you should be able to restore the messenger call option.